friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. I'm Erin, and for today's video we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. Now I kind of use that term a little bit loosely and I'll explain why in just a minute. So I didn't really know that doing a Dollar Tree haul was a thing until I had somebody subscribe to my channel who does a lot of them, and that is Amanda Random. She does some awesome videos, so definitely check out her channel because she's the one who led me to this idea. And upon looking at her videos, I realized that there's actually a lot of people who do Dollar Tree hauls on YouTube. I'm pretty new to making YouTube videos, obviously, so I like to check out and find new things, and I thought it would be cool to do a Dollar Tree haul. I didn't realize that our town, which is actually relatively small, had a Dollar Tree until I actually looked it up. I knew that there was one in the next city over that's fairly new, so I think I'm gonna check that one out because, to be quite honest, the one that we have in our town, it kind of sucks. It's a decent size, don't get me wrong. I just didn't find nearly as much of the fun stuff as I've seen other people find in Dollar Tree, and I think it's, I don't even know why they don't have the cool stuff. But in any event, I'm gonna try the other Dollar Tree. That's why I said it's a Dollar Tree haul of sorts. I actually got this stuff last weekend and I'm just filming for it now, but I gave myself a budget when I went there. I was like, okay, you can only spend 20 bucks. Because I thought I was going to find all this great stuff. Well, let me tell you, I think I spent maybe $10. Maybe a little bit more. We'll see when we go through the bag. I honestly don't remember the exact amount of stuff I got, but I know I got some stuff. So it was a little disappointing. So I'll set my budget again, and next weekend, maybe I'll try going out to the other Dollar Tree that's in the next town over and seeing if that's any better. It looked newer and nicer when I drove by it the other day when I was taking Ollie to get neutered. We had to drive by there, and that's when I saw it there and I was like, ooh, I'll do that. And then I realized that we had one in town, so I decided to try that too. So without further ado, here's my Dollar Tree haul, which isn't that great, but I'm going to show you what I got anyway. So I might get interrupted as I'm trying to open stuff. My ancient kitty is very attached to me today for whatever reason, and he keeps trying to jump in my lap. He's actually here right now. His name's Mr. Brown. He's about 16 years old. He's a Siamese Manx. Here he is. He's the cutest guy ever. He's a little guy. So if you see a brown blob jump into my lap, that's why. It's him. He's needy today. But we'll see what we can do. Okay, so first thing is definitely a mundane item, but it is an item that we need in this house, and that is because ours went to my significant other's job on base and never came home with him because he forgot them at a potluck. So I only bought one. I'll probably go back and grab another, and that is a plastic spoon. Just a regular handy dandy plastic serving spoon. All I have left right now are slotted spoons and wooden spoons that aren't very good at scooping things. I also have a ladle, but that's not good for scooping other things. So I figured we needed this, so I went ahead and grabbed it. So the next thing that I got, I was kind of disappointed at their selection, and what I got was just a plain old composition notebook. Now, I get these composition books because I like to write my ideas for different videos down in the book, and that way it also gives me kind of a script to follow. Usually with my haulings and unboxings, of course, I don't have a script, but I mean like my conspiracy theories and stuff like that I do like to write it down. My other one that I have, I grabbed this one from Dollar General, and I thought it was cute because it had a flower print instead of the regular print. And I was kind of hoping that Dollar Tree would have something similar, or even a spiral notebook that was cute, and they just didn't. I mean, they had these plain composition books, and then they also had some spiral notebooks, but they were just plain colors too. But I figured I probably am going to need another one of these soon, and maybe I'll just put like some stickers and stuff on this one just to make it a little less boring. But yep, got a composition book. So the next thing I got, we probably have more in this house than we actually need, but I like having them around and I like the smells they put off, and that's candles. So I went ahead and got this candle. It is a Air Fresh 2-in-1 in Tropical Fruit and Island Breeze, and it smells really good. I have a Glade candle, which they actually reference on here as to compare it to, and it really just smells just like that Glade candle, which I really like because it's like summery, and I don't know, I just like it. I feel like I'm in a tropical place when I burn it. So just got this. It's cute. I'll take it out of the thing. As you can see, it's just a pink and orange candle in a little glass container. So next up, what I got, I actually haven't done one in a while, and I thought it would be kind of fun to do, and they had some nice ones, so I went ahead and I bought a couple puzzles. So I got a 500 piece puzzle. I thought it was pretty. It's got like an Americana design. Let's see if we can get, there we go, my camera to focus on it. And I thought it would be nice. I might go ahead and do like Mod Podge or Mod Podge or however the heck you say it. And have it like kind of as like a 4th of July decoration, because I thought it was cute. So just frame it and hang it on the wall. That's if I get to this before 4th of July, which I'm hoping I will. I have a little bit of time on my hands right now, so hopefully I'll get this done. I thought it would be something to do for when I'm bored. So the other puzzle I got is nautical themed, and I thought it was really cool. I like it, and I think same premise. After I get done doing it, I'm gonna have it glued together, and I'll frame it and I'll hang it somewhere. It is nautical themed. I'll probably actually hang it in my office. I don't have a lot of stuff on the walls per se in here yet, but it is going to be nautical themed since I'm going to have 2 fish tanks in here. So maybe I'll hang it on the wall in here. It actually will go with the paint in the back, which I kind of like. And it's just a whole bunch of different, they're the things that, I don't think I really called buoys. I should probably look it up and see what it's called. But like the different things that you put on your crab pots and stuff, so you know which ones are yours. And I guess they are still called buoys or bobbers. And they're just so you can tell which ones are yours and where they are floating in the water. And I thought it was cute, and it's just another 500 piece puzzle. So the next thing I got is actually for Oliver. You may ask why only Oliver, and that's because Dixie has no use for this unless she's taking it from Oliver, who has already chewed on it a little bit, and at which point I kind of make them share. But anyway, it's just a Snackin' Bone premium dog snack in chicken flavor. He likes the busy bones, so this is kind of like that. I am pretty picky about what I give them and where it comes from, just because I get scared because there's been some recalls of dog food and what have you. This one is actually, it says on the side that it's made in the USA, so I'm willing to give it a go, and I think he'll like it. In fact, I forgot that I had this in here, and I feel kind of bad for depriving him of it for about a week. But anyway, like I said, Snackin' Dogs premium dog snack bone. So in one of my recent posts, I did my makeup haul for Miss A, and I talked about the liquid eyeliner that I got and how I knew it was going to be a problem. Well, I've tried using it a couple times since then, and while I really love it when I get it right, I've had some issues, and it actually has gotten into my eye rather than on my eyelid, and let me tell you how much that burns. So I'm giving up on that for a little bit. I do still have some of my, I had talked about my like mechanical pencil eyeliner that's by CoverGirl, and I have that, but it's in a charcoal gray, and I really wanted black. I decided to see what they have in Dollar Tree, and I got an LA Colors auto eyeliner in black, so it's similar to the one I have, like a mechanical pencil, so you don't need a sharpener, and this is what that looks like. And I'm pretty sure that's going to get the job done without me having crap bleed into my eye and make me feel like my eyes want to burn out of my head. Alright, so we're down to the last couple things. And there's like 3 left. So the next thing I got, kind of funny, because I've found them since, I could not find my tweezers and I needed them. So I was like, surely Dollar Tree will probably have tweezers. Well, they didn't have tweezers by themselves. They only had these little sets. And it's not bad. It's kind of cute. It's green. It comes with a tweezer and a nail clipper. And the nail clipper looks like a little foot. And this is by Greenbrier International. So, like I said, it's by Greenbrier International. It's a little tweezer and nail clipper set. It's cute, not gonna lie. I would have rather had like blue or pink or purple, but all I had was this green. Okay, so I saved the best 2 things for last for this little haul. I'll go ahead and do this one first, which I'm actually kind of excited about. So this is like a little, either you can put a votive candle in it or a tea light, and it's just a little, it's like a teal glass thing. And I don't know that I'll be able to get this on my camera very well. Maybe I'll go ahead and stick a candle in here so you can see what it looks like. But it has an etching of a fish on the glass. Yeah, there we go. So with my light, it's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of make out the outline of the fish, and it looks like a kind of butterfly fish. So I thought it would be nice to put in my office as well. In fact, let me go grab a light and let's see if this looks a little bit better with a candle in it. Okay, so I went and grabbed a tea light and my handy dandy lighter. Oh, you can definitely see it much better this way. So as you can see, let me block out my face so my camera will focus. So you can see the outline of the butterfly fish. I thought it was really pretty. So it has this outline, and I thought it was really cool. I like these type of things where it kind of, I know in the dark this will actually probably cast a shadow like on the walls and stuff to make it look like a fish. So I thought that was pretty cool. Probably will come in handy during hurricane season this year. Because, you know, we have a generator, but we only really use it for the refrigerator and the fish tanks. And some fans, we don't hook it up to very many lights. Which sounds ridiculous, but we like to plug in the important things. If we have candles, that works. So that's probably what this will end up getting used for. I really like it. It's cute, it's pretty. So this was one of the cute things that I found, and it was the only one there because I was going to buy more than one. Okay, so I saved the best for last. So again, going back to my makeup haul that I was talking about, I needed a new makeup bag to put all of that makeup in. Now, I was going to buy one off of Wish, and I don't know why I didn't, because I actually did recently buy some stuff from Wish that I'm waiting to come in, and I'll definitely be doing a video on that as well. But I didn't. And then I saw this and I was like, oh, this is kind of cute. So I got this for my makeup instead, and it is distributed by Chartwell Studio, Main Street Totes Cosmetic Bags. And it's really cute. It's like this blue, it's got a little handle on it, and it's blue and it has little cacti all over it. Looks like a couple aloe vera plants as well. And I thought it was really cute. It's just got the little zipper, which works, and it's kind of, you know, it's the plasticky stuff, so it's not a big deal if makeup somehow gets on the inside. It'll be fairly easily washable, so that's that. So that's it for my little Dollar Tree haul, we'll call it. Honestly, when I went there, I was kind of hoping to find, like, they have some nice wall decals and stuff, but the ones that they had there were kind of childish and junky, and they weren't cute, so that was a little bit of a disappointment. I was trying to look for, like, different nice stickers and stuff that other people have found, and, like, these cute notebooks and stuff, and I really didn't find any. Now maybe I just missed it. I will probably give that store a second chance. I'm going to try out the other one first though, because like I said, it just looked nicer, so it probably has some more variety of stuff, I guess. Maybe I was just outpicked from this one. I don't know. But in any event, that was my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you liked it. I promise the next one will be better. At least I hope it will be better. At least I hope I find some cuter stuff. And maybe I'll break my $20 budget instead of only getting 10 things. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know that you want to see some more. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you see my new videos when they come out. And if you want notifications for when they come out, make sure you click the little bell. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.